In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Breeze Card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Breeze Card is a reloadable transit card used on Marta in Atlanta, Georgia. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about the main ways to use this card. So you can purchase a Breeze Card from Marta Ride Stores. So this is going to be the first main way to get them. Marta Ride Stores. You can get them from the vending machines for Breeze at Marta stations. So look for any sort of big vending machine with the Breeze logo. And finally, you can get them online at breezecard.com. So when you acquire your card, in order to use it, you simply have to locate the reader. First, make sure that you have loaded enough value into the card. You can do this through various ways. You can use stored cash, single rides, you can do multiple day passes or monthly passes. You can load them physically or even online. So to use your Breeze card, when you are at Marta station or on a bus, locate the blue Breeze target on the fare gate. So it is going to look something like this. And then physically place your card in the reader. Make sure to tap the card, don't just wave it quickly, and as long as the card remains here for long enough, it will be detected and the payment will be issued contactlessly. The gate will open if you have the sufficient value on your card, and you will be good to go. Now, something else to note is that more recently, they actually launched the Breeze app. If you download this app on your phone, you can use your phone to issue the payments. So through the app, you can purchase the services here, so Buzzr Rail, mobile buses, and Atlanta Streetcar. And once you have purchased your tickets, all that you have to do is physically place your phone near the reader. Once again, it is going to work, but instead of carrying around the physical card, you can manage it through the app and purchase the necessary amount of tickets or rides. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Breeze Card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.